Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to share tracks on Soundcloud. Now, there are two main ways to share tracks or songs on Soundcloud. The first one is by using the share button. Now, how do you use the share button? First of all, you need to locate the track you want to share on Soundcloud. Then, click the share button, which is located below the waveform or under the track title. After that, you have to select the social media platform or messaging app where you want to share your track. It could be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or even email. Next, add a caption or message to accompany the shared track. And then, click the post or send button to share the track. The second method is by copying the track link. So locate the track you want to share, right-click on the track URL in the address bar and select Copy. Paste the link or the copied link into your desired platform or messaging app. You can add a caption or message to accompany your shared link and click the post or send button to share the link. It's as simple as that. Now let me give you some additional tips. You have to use relevant hashtags. You see, when sharing on social media, always use relevant hashtags to increase visibility and reach a wider audience. 2. Engage with your audience. You see, apart from using a relevant hashtag, you also need to engage with your audience. So respond to their comments and messages to build a community around your shared tracks. Thirdly, promote your tracks. Share your tracks on multiple platforms and in relevant online communities to maximize exposure. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively share your favorite tracks or songs on Soundtrack and introduce them to your friends, followers, and the wider music community. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.